Assalamu alaikum. This video is about construction of a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of parallel sides. What are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel. Second property is that opposite sides are congruent, means equal in length. AB equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Construct a parallelogram ABCD such that AB is equal to 8.5 cm, BC is equal to 6.5 cm and ABC is equal to 45 degree, that is angle. We are going to write down the length of the diagonals AC. First step, to draw line segment. Angle is on B point, so we will draw line segment AB, that is 8.5 centimeter. Use your pencil and scale with sharp edge and draw line segment. Second step, to give names like this: A 8.5 centimeter and second point is B. This measurement, this step is done. Mark circle that we have done this one. Second step, to draw angle ABC. So angle is on B point. Use protractor, set on B point and mark off an angle that is 45 degree. Use scale and pencil to draw line. And name this, that is C. And we have angle 45 degree. This step done. Mark a circle around that we have done this one. BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Adjust the arms of the compass. Open 6.5 centimeter. This measurement is BC. Place your compass on B point. Adjust, draw an arc. Actually, this point is C point, not this. This point is C. Label side by side. 6.5 centimeter. And this point is C. So opposite sides are equal. So from A point, draw an arc of 6.5 centimeter. AB is parallel to CD, so we will open 8.5. Place on C point. And draw an arc. Use scale and pencil First dot, this point and this point. Join these 2 points. This point is D. And join D point with A. Name this point D. This measurement is 8.5 centimeter. And this measurement is 6.5 centimeter. This step done. Mark circle. Okay. Measure and write down the length of the diagonal AC. This point is A and this point is C. We need to measure the length of AC. Draw a line and use scale to measure the length. Adjust your scale. Measurement of AC is 6 centimeter. Label this. This measurement is 6 centimeter. I hope this video helps to understand about construction of a parallelogram. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.